Hello parents, my name is Don Hicks and I'm the supervisor of elementary mathematics for Carroll County Public Schools. Over the past few years, our math curriculum has transitioned as we've aligned with the Common Core state standards, which the state of Maryland adopted in June of 2010 for all public schools in the state. The Common Core standards are more focused than previous lists of curriculum standards. And as a result of this focus, teachers can now go deeper in their lessons and model many strategies to solve problems so that our students can develop as thinkers and can truly understand the concepts they are learning in elementary math that lay the foundation for math in middle school, high school, and in college. Since some of these teaching strategies are being used more often than in the past and may not be familiar to everyone, I'll be posting brief videos throughout the year to show some of these techniques being utilized by our terrific teachers and their students in their classrooms. I hope you find these videos to be helpful as we continue our important partnership in your children's education.
Hi, my name is Allison Welch. I'm a 5th grade STEM teacher at Westminster Elementary. One standard that our 5th graders need to master is to fluently multiply 3-digit by 2-digit numbers. So today I'm going to model for you a strategy called an open array, which will help the students to really understand the various place values that are behind the traditional algorithm of multiplication. So here we go. We're going to start with the problem 53 times 36. So we'll draw a rectangle, which will represent our array, and we're going to decompose 53 and 36. So 53 is made up of 50 and 3, and we're going to draw a line down. Then we're going to decompose 36 into 30 and 6, and this time draw a line across. Notice that the boxes are a different size, and that's to help the students understand that the different products that they then put in these boxes should be similar in size to the boxes. So now we're ready to multiply. 50 times 30 would be 1,500. Some students may know that right away. Other students may have to look at the basic fact, 3 times 5, which is 15, and know that they have to add the 2 place values because of the 0. Okay, now we're going to move down and do 50 times 6, which would be 300. Over here in the other 10 spot, we have 30 times 3, which would give us 90. And then finally, in our smallest box is where we're multiplying our ones. 6 times 3, which is 18. So now the students know that they have to put all of these pieces together. So 53 times 36 is made up of all these different pieces. 1,500, 300, 90, and 18. And then they add all their partial products together. 8, 10, 9, 1. So our final product, 1,908. Now, since students have to be able to multiply 3-digit by 2-digit numbers, let's take a look at how the open array works with that. So we'll move on to this problem, 243 times 42. Once again, we're going to have our rectangle that will represent our array. Across the top, we're going to decompose 243 into 240, and then 3. Down the side, just like we did on our other one, we'll decompose 42 into 40 and 2. And now the students have their 6 boxes, so we can start multiplying again. 200 times 40, which would give us 8,000. 200 times 2, which would be 400. 40 times 40, 1,600. 40 times 2, 80. 40 times 3, 120. And finally, 3 times 2, which is 6. Now at this point, the students can decide how they want to add all of those pieces together in order to get their final product. And that will depend on each child individually with what they feel comfortable with. Some of them might be able to see that this row is 486. Some of them might be able to realize that this row would be 9,720. And then they're able to add those two pieces together. To get the final product, 10,206. So that is how the open array for multiplication can work.